1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys, it's Tiff. I got a house! Come and watch me give you guys a house tour. So, this is the living room. I have a fireplace. It is a real, legit fireplace. I don't know how to use it yet, but that's okay. I was gonna place my TV on this little mantle right here. And my favorite part of the house is actually the ceilings. It has these cool wooden planks running through it. It gives like a really nice rustic farmhouse vibe. It is a very Spanish style house, and that's why I love it. I hate cookie cutter houses, and I love the fact that I found a house that has a lot of character. So, we have a little closet. I can hide in here if I ever need to. Can you see me? See, it's a great hiding spot. And then we have the dining room. Dining room, guys. I am so excited. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in this dining room yet. I'm really sorry everything is echoey, but that is because we literally have no furniture in here. I don't even have a fridge or a washer and dryer yet. So if you guys have any suggestions for washer and dryers for my kitchen or refrigerators, let me know, because I'm looking for one and I feel like such an adult that I'm gonna buy myself a fridge and a washer and dryer. This is the kitchen. This is where we're gonna do all the cooking, all the meals with Tiffany's, all the breakfast at Tiffany's, all the lunch at Tiffany's. This is gonna be so awesome. This is where the washer and dryer is supposed to be. Clearly I don't have one. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the bedrooms. We got 3. Here's the first bedroom. Let's go. The lighting in this room is so amazing. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing in here. I might either turn it into a filming room or my closet, because I actually don't have a walk-in closet. And since I have 3 bedrooms, I only need 1 guest room. So I figured this could be my closet, my makeup area, a little bit of a filming area as well. And we got ourselves a little closet. I'm so Jordan, I can hide. Okay, let's go to the next room. We also have these cool little guys. This is how you know a house has been built for over 100 years, when they have built-ins like this. They are so cool. Can't wait to put my towels in there. All right, let's look at the master bathroom. This is the bathroom where I'll be taking all of my lush baths. Pretty much all my baths, all my showers. This is how I'm gonna stay clean inside my new place. I really love all the inspiration from the Spanish style, so if you guys look at this tub right here, or if you look at the shower, it's so cool. Also, I have one of these guys. I don't even know what this is called, but it's really cool. I've never used one before. Hopefully, I like to use it. And then we have ourselves the next bedroom. Pretty sure this is gonna be the bedroom I make into my bed. Decide yet, let me know what you guys suggest on which bedroom should be mine. But this is the biggest bedroom with like doors to the outside, which I really like, and I know it's perfect for Zoe, so I really want to stay in one of the bedrooms that face the backyard. It's just a bedroom, there's nothing much to it. We got ourselves a nice, decently sized closet. It's super deep in here. So, let's go inside another bedroom. This is the real master bedroom. Here's the real master, but it's also the smallest bedroom in the entire house. So this might actually be the guest bedroom, because that way they have easy access to their very own bathroom and toilet. shower, toilet, very basic, not much to it. But I'm really excited to show you guys the outside, so let's go outside. Watch your step. Oh my gosh, I actually have my own backyard. This is crazy. And my favorite part of this entire house is the avocado tree. If you guys are from California, you guys know how expensive avocados are, and you guys know how much Californians love their avocado. So I'm gonna be using this avocado tree as like a peace offering to all my neighbors and all my friends who are mad at me. Be like, yo, I got you some avocados. So I'm excited. They don't ripen until 6 months. So in 6 months, I'm gonna be the best friend you'll ever have. I'm thinking of putting some grass around this area for Zobear, but let me show you guys the garage because it's gonna be the new Live and Dress headquarters. A garage. So it looks very messy right now. They were just painting everything, so watch your step, Kyle. We're gonna turn this garage into an office for Live and Dress. We're gonna put hardwood floors, we're gonna put cool lights, we're gonna have couches, we're gonna have a ton of clothes in here. This is where all the clothes are gonna be shipped, processed, ordered, everything. I am so excited about this place. The coolest thing about it is probably the ceiling. So you guys should look at it. It's blue, it's like a pretty powder blue color. It has exposed planks, very farmhouse style, and I am so excited about this house. Alright guys, that is it with today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys like this and you guys want to see more house related things, let me know down below. I love you guys so much, but it's time for me to go. Bye guys!